I would now like to introduce Mauricio, who will share with us about coalition partnerships and coalition building.
Good morning. Just had to unmute myself. Hola, здравствуйте. My name is Mauricio Alexander Cherney. I'm from La Ciudad de Mexico, Washington, D.C., and for the last 20 years, New York City. I'm a performing artist and activist, as well as a graduate student at the School of International Service at American University in the International Peace and Conflict Resolution Program, and now a member of the COVID-19 Global Solidarity Coalition. The coalition is a collective working group who shares some number of goals with other coalitions and movements, and we're looking forward to continue building with you and our organizational signatories. Groups have signed the Manifesto, which you can find at covidglobalsolidarity.org. The current organizational signatories are Article 9 Canada, Code Pink, Council on Hemispheric Affairs, Global Network Against Weapons and Nuclear Power in Space, the International Peace Research Association, Manhattan Project for a Nuclear-Free World, Unitarian Universalists for a Just Economic Community, and Veterans for Peace. There are other organizations and collectives who've been in contact with us based on recommendations and referrals, and those include the members of the Cross-Border Feminist Manifesto, Mobilizing Women for Peace in Korea, Common Action Forum, Development, Women of Color Advancing Peace and Security, Common Action Forum, and Demand Progress, among others. These coalitions and partnerships that we're beginning to build and to address the challenges we're currently facing globally, they're valued and they're very important to us. These coalitions are alliances, and we enjoy and look forward to partnering with these groups in order to achieve our common purposes and to engage in joint activity. And by definition, coalition building in itself is the process in which these parties, individuals, organizations, and nations come together to form a larger coalition. We come together because of these similar values, these interests and goals, and to combine our resources while building more power and momentum. Now, currently, we're actively identifying partners with a similar vision. We welcome you and your input, connections, and help with building these new partnerships. So please, you're watching now, we invite you to make suggestions for coalition building via our chat box, or which you can start doing now or anytime throughout the rest of the morning, and by emailing us at covidglobalsolidarity@gmail.com. That's another way to reach us via email. And we will do our best to reach out to those individuals and organizations as soon as possible. Thank you all for being here today. And now back to Shanae for Q&A and discussion.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mauricio.